Welcome to this practical guide for beginners on Facebook advertising, titled Mastering Facebook Boost, the Keystone Framework. My name is Shahani Ali from Keystone Digital Hub. We are explaining the Boost Post feature, which is a shortcut for rapid growth. It allows direct promotion from your page without needing the ads manager. It's a quick and easy setup, especially for beginners. Goal selection is crucial. Options range from automatic to specific goals like messages, engagement, traffic, calls, page likes, leads, catalog sales, and page visits. The options may increase as your page grows, but the settings remain similar. For lead generation, the goal is to collect contact information from potential customers. You can create forms, add fields like name and email, and include custom questions. This process of creating forms and buttons is essential for building your customer list. When it comes to Advantage plus Creative, turning it all in allows AI-driven variations for better results, offering an easy setup. Turning it off gives you full manual control over your creatives for precision control. You can also use a headline with a call to action. For messaging destinations, you have two main options. Auto uses Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram DM. Manual lets you add specific client numbers, including multiple WhatsApp numbers. This offers flexible setup depending on your campaign needs. Message templates offer a default option for speed, where Facebook provides a ready-made welcome message. Alternatively, the custom template allows for personalization, letting you create your own greeting or question. Choose default for speed and custom for personalization. Special ad categories cover areas like housing, employment, finance/credit, and politics/social issues. Declaring these is required to follow rules and helps keep your account safe from ad rejections. In audience targeting, Advantage plus ON means Meta AI finds the best audience for you, which is great for beginners. Turning it off allows for manual targeting based on age, gender, location, and interests, ideal for experts. Creating your own audience can be done through Advantage plus Audience, which targets interested people, or Manual Audience, where you define demographics. The right audience leads to better ad results. Audience creation is the heart of digital ads. For budget and duration, you can set a daily budget within a specified range. Duration can be set to auto-run continuously or for set dates and business hours. Remember, your daily budget decides your reach and performance. Placements mastery involves choosing where your ad will show. Advantage plus ON uses auto placements across platforms like FB, IG, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Threads for an easy setup. Turning it off allows manual selection for custom control. For secure payments, a valid card is required, including the name, number, expiry, and CVV. Saving your card enables an automated billing system. The strategic mindset is key. While the interface stays the same, the strategy changes with your goal. Always align your chosen goal with your business objective. Settings are similar, but outcomes depend on the chosen goal. Thank you for your time. Facebook Boost Post is simple, yet powerful. Remember that success depends on choosing the right audience and strategy, and always aligning your ad goal with your business objective.